ako dyan. Morning. Hi, Greg. Good morning, Greg. Good morning. Thank you for the thumbs. Roses, Beth. Huh? Roses. Roses, Beth. How are you doing today? Uh, doing good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning. Babalik ka rin sa Thank you very much. It was a prank. No, I'm stuck it for a letter white, huh? Letter white. How are you doing? It's a prank? Hello, beautiful. Hi. Why it's a prank? Why prank? Thank you for the thumbs up, Alex. Hi, Alex. Good morning, Alex. Double tap your skin, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Roses Beth. The Roses Beth. Thank you for Papa Bur. Friends. Huh? Hi, Sad Savers. Hi, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining. Mamma Mia, Patty's Trash. 7. likes. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you for the 14 people in the house. Salamat. Don't say it. Good morning, Dash. Sanders, thank you so much. Alright, I'm doing clean first. Hello, Rodrigo. From Rose Pet. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Hi, Johnson. Ka-Garden TV. Hi, nakadikit po niyo. Salamat, Ka-Garden. Salamat. Rose BFF, thank you so much. Sheryl, I'm Prince Burikat. Where? Your Prince Burikat. Where? Nakadikit na po. Salamat. Rodrigo, it's me. Greg, lol. Kuya Dave's Adventure. Hi, Kuya Dave's. Thank you. Hi. Salamat po. Balikan po kita kaya Dave's Adventure. Mamaya. BC, hi! Good morning, Alex. Good morning po. Thank you po. Thank you for the thumbs up. BC. For today's ganap, BC first before coffee drink. Before drink the coffee, naliagraga. My God, Greg. Why you change your name, Greg? Rose BFF. Rose BFF. You change your name. Thank you.
Ano mama nakatulog ka?
You got it. Skinny cat. Oh, hello. It's big area. Hi, Sheryl. Hi, Debbie. Alam mo ba na Japanese name yung Om host? Ah, talaga po. Ano pong ibig sabihin ng Om? Hindi ko po alam. Hi, sweetheart. Are you? What? Filipino like to sweep a lot. Yeah. Need some paint for walls. Hi, Frank. Widen. Hello po. Please, pagtapos mo daanan kita dyan, ha? Dito ka naman magwalis sa studio ko. Hi, Barney Poge. Salamat po. Oh my God. Thank you. Come visit America, my love. Hi, Ginario. Hi, Ginario. Hello. Where are you in America? Like a sons of the air. Ah, okay. The air. Wow. Good morning. Hi, good morning, Carmen. David. Davija. Hi. I love you. I say. Davija, where are you from, Davija? Taga saan ka? Bicol po. Pilipinas. Taga Pilipinas, Bicolana. Ako, Subs, Galeraka. Thank you po. Said nothing. You're beautiful. Thank you, David Ja. Thank you so much, David. Thank you. Thank you for the 10 million people. Sabihin din ako. Queen, thank you po. Salamat. Salamat sa nag-join. What it means? Gale. There's a lot of love in here. Just thank you for the love. Salamat. Thank you for the heart. Oh my goodness. Thank you for the 19. And everybody loves Sheryl. Thank you guys. Thank you for so much. Spread love. Mga Vega. Ha?
Pula orange. Lagi ako niyo.
Ayan.
Ako na.
21 million in the house. Salamat. And the 17 thumbs up. Salamat po. Thank you po. Thank you guys.
Ay na, parang protest ko ha.
Thank you for the 22. Thank you so much. Hola Bonita, buenos dias. Hi, Cantabria Diaz Garrido. Thank you so much. Buenos dias. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Ito, what it means. Galera, what do you mean? Can you speak English? Can you, ano? English class. What do you mean? Thank you for the 17 people in the live. In my home. Salamat. Just wake up. At sa bawat minuto, gusto ko nang sumuko. Hintay ko na lahat, pero sinayang mo ko. What? What it means? Five yun? What do you mean? What it means? Galarata. Where are you from, Gali? Where are you from? Oh my God, that happened. Thank you for the 16. Salamat, 16. Thank you. Hello, Jomar Berjami. Hi po. Jomar Berhami. Hami. Thank you. Then come to America, my love. Ginario, thank you. Where are you from in America? Kumusta, Jomar Biman? Kumusta? Maganda, mabuti naman. Maganda. Love, live life. Love, life. Hi. Hi, Anil. Baby, just tell me, MLS, baby, just tell me how much is money you want me to give you and let's meet. Huh? Good morning, Anel. Do you want to live in America continent? Where are you in America? Ginaria, thank you so much for the 26 million in people in the house. How are you? Smile. Anel, I want to enjoy my long... You are very pretty. Love, live life. Where are you from, guys? Thank you so much for the 22. people here. Come with me to my country. Where are you? Ginario, you first joke. You first jokes. Very pretty Texas 2024. Thank you. Thank you guys. 25 million people here. Thank you for the 18 likes. Like down. Thank you, Anel. Salamat. Thank you. Ah. 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 Oh my goodness. 21 people here. I will check your passport. Wow. I like and subscribe. Thank you. Love, live life. Thank you po. Anel, smile. Love, live life. Salamat. Thank you. Did you have coffee today? Ay, buha. Mauran man. Ay, ma. Chududat. 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 Did you have coffee today? I prepare coffee. 6:42 p.m. now here in America. Yeah. Where are you in America? Ginario. 7. Same time here but morning here. Are you going to do laundry today? Not yet. Not today. Today my... Your age? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40 years old now. Still young and beautiful. I live in Columbia, Ohio, USA. Columbus. Wow, Columbus. Shout out from Columbus from USA. Shout out to Columbus from US, Ohio, USA from Philippines. Thank you. Today is a day off from laundry. Yes. And here I celebrate Labor Day. Labor Day. Yes, you are young and beautiful. Feel young and beautiful. Feel young. Thank you so. I'm waiting for you. How old are you, Ginario? Matthias Wagner from Germany. 40 years. I love Anel from Anel. Thank you. Thank you guys for the 28 million people here. Thank you, God. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat po. 23 million people here. Thank you so much. You're 49. Filipinos don't age. They just get smarter. Yeah. I will take you with me to America. How old are you, Ginario? Do you want? I'm going to America to my boyfriend place. But not Columbus. Columbus. I like your pink top. Sweet pink. Have you ever been abroad? No. Yes. Never been abroad. I'm never been going abroad. Thank you for the 19 likes. Thank you for the likes and people here. 22. Salamat. I like you. Why are you single, Ginario? Is that a no or a yes? It's a no. It's a no. My answer is no. The answer is so fast. It's a no. Thank you for the 26 people here.
I'm taking now.
Salamat. I'm single. Why are you single? Why are you single? Would you ever would you ever go abroad? I want.
I want to go abroad. Thank you for the 710 coffee.
Are you married? I'm not married, but I'm not available, you know. Thank you, Hinari. We need to get this pretty Filipina overseas. Speaking of the devil, you made coffee, yes. I made coffee, yes. Need ano. Thank you, 6 people, thank you. Coffee, let's coffee, love, live life. Coffee time. Thank you, mine. I subscribe their channel now. Thank you, Ginario. Thank you so much. Coffee is life. Coffee is life. Even summer feels here in Philippines. Rice is life also. Rice is life. Coffee is life. Hi po. Hi, Kuya. Kumusta ka, Kuya? How are you, Kuya? Hi, Kuya. Welcome back, Kuya. I want to meet you in person. Thank you, Ginario. Gali. I'm good. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you for coming back. You're coming back to me now. Tiny shrunk girl. Hi, sweetie. Hello po. Hi. The tiny sponsip is adorable. I like your home. Thank you, Kreya. You're my home. Missy home. The Macy. Love you, Pelicans. Brian. Hi, Brian. If a small love could live in you. Huh? If I was. What? I will go Philippines if you want. What do you mean, Ginario? You refuse to take an actual sip of coffee on camera. Jokes. Sip. Thank you guys. Thank you for Thank you for joining my life. My life. Salamat. 20 thumbs up. Happy. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Tiny. Strong girl. I'm from Philippines. Bicol. Bicol province. Provinciana. Thank you, 21 thumbs. Thank you po. Salamat, Gali. Hi, Mazru. Hi, Mazru. Franklin. Sim Happy New York City. Hi, shout out to New York City. From Philippines. Kinari, she said she's taken, so relax. Hi, Team Pinky Team. Frank Revin. Hi, Frank. Thank you for joining my live. Happy Labor Day. Yes, Happy Labor Day here in the Philippines. Celebrating Labor Day now. Happy. Hi, Frank Revin. Thank you. I'm New York City. Korea. Okay, thank you, Korea. ride. Kung sapat akong, pwede ba akong sumakay sa bag mo? Kung sapat akong kaliit, pwede ba akong sumakay sa bag mo? You creating a poem? Tiny shrimp. Tiny. Labor Day tomorrow is laundry day. Laundry day today. Those roasters can ever sleep. Yeah. Buenas noches, preciosa. ¿Qué tal estás? ¿Y tú cómo estás? Soy español de Murcia, España. Hi, Juan Garcia. Hello, welcome to my live. I was Panas host. Paano po mag-live? Pindutin nyo po yung sa baba, yung may option dun sa baba na plus. Tapos, yun, may option dun na live. Sa baba ng screen mo sa YouTube, pindutin mo yung plus sign, then piliin mo yung choose the live. Then you will go to live na. Guapa, bonita. Thank you, Juan Garcia. Thank you so much. Riza Limos. Lizaro Carpio, hello. Thank you, Hinario, for the like. Thank you so much. Bella. What means Bella? What do you mean? Hello po. Hi. Hi, Niels Christiansen. Hi. Hello po. Hello din. Copy pana sauce. Copy pana sauce. Saan ka ba sa province? Bicol po. Bicol province po. Show your... belly? Not allowed here. Sorry. Lazaro Carpio. Okay. Oh my God. Coffee time. What is this? Layo mo. Malayo nga po eh. Malayo. Saga saan ka po? Lazaro Carpio. Dito ako Pampanga. Okay. Malayo nga. Okay lang. Salamat sa 23 likes. Thank you for the 23 likes. Salamat. Layo. Still million here. Thank you guys. Thank you for the 23 likes. Happy. Thank you so much. Gandang umaga po. Lazaro Carpio, thank you po. Gandang tataasan ko. Maluwag kasi yung bra. Wala kasi makapitan yung bra. Pumapalag yung bra eh. Happy. Sama. Okay lang. Okay lang. Wait. I will find a beautiful place. The green square. Walang magandang wala, yan lang talaga eh. What do you mean? Marine child? May anak po ako isa, mahirap, walang tama. Aray. Meron po akong anak isa, lalaki, 8 years old. Salamat sa Tom Sack. Thank you po. Si Kape, saan na yung husband mo? Wala akong husband. Wala akong asawa. Yung ama ng tatay ng anak ko, nasa, taga Mindanao yun. Malayo. Wala na. Yes. Okay. Wag ka na. At sa bawat minuto. Thank you for the 23 likes. Dait ba? Okay, dait. Mas malayo pa ba? Mas malayo pa yung dait. Dulo kami ng Bicol. Sa dulo. Dulo kami. Okay. Alright. Hello, Disty, Argentina. Hi. Hello, Christian from Argentina. Shout out from Philippines. I don't understand your language, Gali. Where are you from, Gali? Gali. 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 Blah. Is the one Papan, keep falling. Spin the six. Where are you now? Good morning, Cheryl. How's your morning? Hi, Oscar. Ben. How's your morning? It's okay. My morning is good.
Did you have your breakfast already? Not yet. Not yet breakfast. Did you just enjoying your beautiful cup of coffee? Yeah. Yes. Good morning, GT. Good morning to from GT. Salamat. Alice. Thank you, Alice. Hi, Alice. Nice. Oscar fan. Nice. Thank you. What's your plan for today? Still waiting to meet the friend. Really early. My plan today going to the market today. Buy foods. Still waiting for the no. How I contact you, Harley? I want you to meet my friend. Oh, you have to do some grocery shopping today. Yes. I'll leave just a little. Okay. I want you to meet my friend. My friend. He will only run again. Don't run, darling. Just stay. Hmm. Da 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 dun, cheating da 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 dun, Vice President Sarah. Oh my God. Avid fan ka, no? Leo Ripoledo Jr. You're avid fan of ano? Let me guess. You're going to buy some rice. Yes. And some dry fish. And some vegetables. Yes. Something like that. How you know, Oscar? RM Vlog. Hi, RM Vlog. Team Harley, you have WhatsApp. I have no. Don't WhatsApp. I have no WhatsApp. I have no WhatsApp. No WhatsApp. Okay, I try to download WhatsApp. Sure, I'll read it again. I can read your eyes. Read it again. Okay, wait. What I read again? Harley, where are you, Harley? Just joking. Okay. No. No. Where are you from, Oscar? It's okay, Oscar. No, no worry. Harley, you have what's up? Harley, where are you, Harley? Big brother, hello, mom. Hi, big brother. Kumusta ang mga housemates? Kumusta ang housemates? Sino ang may effect? Rar. Ang pag-ibig na nasa... I am from Australia. Ah, wow. How old are you, Spar? From the love for me. Well, I need you to do me a favor. What is that? He is playing. Don't worry about having him meet your friend. Oh, oh, oh. Rar. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Harley, where are you? Harley. You're going to work na? Na ano ka? Pasok ka? Na ano ka? I am 57 years old. Okay. Where's me? Huh? I know. 57 years old. That's good. My same age my mom. My friend. Same age my friend. 56 my friend. 50, 54 like that. Hula Mamacita. Lautaro Cortez. Hula Mamacita. Hula Mamamia. Hula Mamamia. O, 8. Okay lang. Ay, dinala rin ang message ko niya. Yes. Ma, halata si mama eh. Tita Sheila, sabi. Ay, okay, sige. Your child, yeah.
Tita Sheila, kaganina pa.
Sarado pa man ang Palawan. Alas 8 pa lang. Wala Mamacita, hello Gargus. Kali dude, your child, yeah, my child. My son. My son gabi. Gab. Yay! Hindi ko naintindihan yung sinasabi mo, Gali. Ayokong basahin, baka mamaya iba yan. Makulit, makulit. Hello, Taro Curtis. Emosa, Samsara. What do you mean? Why? How are you? I'm good, Khalid. You, how are you? Thank you for the thumbs up 24. What's your child name? Gabriel. My child name is Gabriel. 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 For me. Tini Maredo. Hi, Tini Maredo. Hello. Where are you from, Tini? No, I mean, your letter. What it means, Tini pala. What it means, Tini Maredo. I love you, sir. Thank you, Aray. Kulugan din. Get a hold of Filipino mountain life and Japan life, and you can what? I am yun. Very nice to meet you, Gabriel. Thank you, Oscar Band. You can ask them about me. You can ask. Thank you so much for the 8 million here, 8 million people. Lori Sinoten Mareda Dissim. What it means? Can you speak English or Tagalog, Lautario Cortez? I am willing to help. Willing to help what? I feel I'm going to poop. I'm gonna poop. Aray. Ay, I need to poop. Wait lang. Just stay. Just I poop lang. I hope you always very good to your mother. Yes, I always. But I'm no. I'm not always, but I'm trying to be good. Not always good. Thank you, Scar. Wait, I'm gonna poop just a few minutes. Wait. Stay there. Stay. Don't go away. Just mm. Ask her, who are you to speak for her? Huh? What happened? Tell me you are nothing but what? Meg, she don't need help, but thanks. What happened? Don't need. You and your family with what you need. Hope you will always be good, your mother. Thank you, Oscar. Thank you so much. I am willing to help. You can ask them about me. Very nice to meet you, Barbara. Thank you so much, guys. What happened? Lautaro Cortez. Amoni Maradolendo soy soltero in water. Hi Cheryl. Hi Cheryl, the live today. That's good. Good live today. Kuya Dave's Adventures, thank you so much. Salamat sa pagpunta sa ano. Thank you. Morning po. Morning, Tommy. Nothing happened. Okay. Bagay summer. Hi, Eric. Ay, qué bonita, qué bonita que eres, pues, como la luna, pero on la oscuridad. What it means? Can you, translate it in English? What it means, Lautaro? Lautaro Cortez, what it means? I don't know what it means. Hi, how is your weather in the Philippines this morning? Summer. Hot weather here. Morning here, hot weather. Summer feels here in Philippines. He wants to help you and your family, but I told him you didn't need help, and he asked who I was to answer for you, so I told him to ask you who I am was. Okay, welcome back, Cheryl. Thank you, Scar. Hi, are you from I can't read your language, but I think it's Eurasian. Balder Goncalves. Hi, Balder. Thank Oscar. Thank you, Oscar. I don't understand what you're, I don't know what to say. Ah, India. Welcome. Thank you. Ah, Linda. Linda, not. Balder is Linda. Maganda, Derek Chow. Hi. Thank you. Lotario, I don't understand your language. Can you speak English? Oi, Kira. What? I don't understand. Speak English, please. Espanol. I don't understand. I just a little understand Espanol. Brazil. Makapatuloy ka? Ah. Ti amo. Ti amo. Are you Spain? Ti amo? Spain? Ti amo. Spain. What it means, ti amo? It's love, like that. Please, everyone, speak in English for the hosting. Hi, my love from Puerto Rico. Love. John Figueroa Hernandez. Hi po. Shout out to Puerto Rico from Philippines. Thank you for the 21 thumbs up. Salamat. Salamat. I don't understand. Hirapan ako. Someday, someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me someday. Someday, that time, I don't even remember words. Sonny Hermosa. Thank you po. I show your feet. Show your feet. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat! Thank you. Summer feels hot weather here. We're hot. Hot. Oscar is beautiful. Thank you, Oscar. You have a very beautiful voice, Cheryl. Thank you. Thank you, Junior. Anela. Smile. Oh, alay, sasabihin mo yan, smile. Salamat. Ah. Insta ID give me. Same name, but I'm not. I delete. I delete Insta app because my phone is full storage now. Junior, she wants you. I want you my feet. It's very far my feet. Ouch. I want to show you my foot. Show it, please. No. Why? What's wrong my feet? It's dirty. My feet is very dirty now. Okay. Your wish is my command. My fate. Lock my feet. You see? Oh, you see my feet? He must be from India. Naima Bokres. Hi, Naima. Oh. My YouTube ID Anil Saxena. Comment doing Cheryl. Okay, I will. They all want to see it. Yeah. They all want to see the pig. You have very perfect. I can hear pigs, yeah. The pigs is pregnant. She's pregnant. Richard Reyes, napakaganda niyo po ate. Kamukha at kahawig niyo po si Julian San Jose. Talaga. At isa na po yata kayo sa pinakamagandang babaeng nakita ko sa buong Kalawakan. Grabe naman yan. Grabe naman yan. No? Kalawakan. Ana ako sa sinasabi mo. Parang naiya ako dun ah. Yung ang liit ng buhok ko, tapos biglang humaba, ganun. Buong Kalawakan. Buong Kalawakan, buong outer space, buong galaxy, universe, Milky Way. Nako, Richard Reyes. Thank you, Richard. But through the soul of the feet. Stop. Stop. Stop, Junior. Behave, Junior. Mabakalala kami isda. Wala pa man. Pero mabakal kami ni Gab. Isda. Sumapabong pa kami ni Gab. Osos. Tawa ko sinabi mo ano. Richard, grabe naman to. Ang gulo-gulo nga ng buhok ko. Di wala kahilamos. Pagkatapos magising, live agad. Para watch hour. Tapos ganyan ang sasabihin mo. Mga barangay. Pero salamat pa rin. At least, di ba? May nagsabi ng ganyan. Nakatawa talaga. Buong kalawakan. Outer space. Galaxy. Milky Way. Shall speak English. Okay. Thank you po. Thank you for the 27 thumbs up. Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations, Miss Pig. Ate, ganda mo po. Salamat. Thank you. Lynette Filarca. Salamat po. Thank you naman. Ano to? Ano prito? Ano yun? Laga? Ah.
Saan pa ito?
Oh.
Bawal pa ito.
Bawal ka? It happens. Sando Amor. You have Instagram. I have, but I don't have apps. I am not available on my phone because for storage. Hi from USA, California. Curtis Walton. Hi Curtis Walton. Welcome to my channel, Sheryl Ohm. And shout out to USA, California from Philippines. Thank you po. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you too. UT Amo Kara Kitirasik Omega. Salamat. Thank you po. Salamat sa Where are you in Philippines? Bicol Province, Philippines. I'm from Bicol Province, Philippines. Sir Cortez Walton. Thank you, sir. Joining my life. Salamat. Alright. Where? Bicol, Sorsogon. Sorsogon, Bicol Province, Philippines. Erosin, Sorsogon. I put it on my, you have Facebook. Yes, I have Facebook. Where? And I put it on my, the title of the stream, Erosin. Where's that? No, not Mindanao. Not Mindanao. I think, it's part of Luzon. Part of Luzon. Bicol is part of Luzon. Because the three, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, I'm here in Bicol, Luzon part. Okay, yes. Sorsogon. Sorsogon, Arisian. DL La Mujer. Komigataba. Di masyado. Di masyado na. Parehas din sa same Tagalog. Di masyado. What it means, I will be in Cebu June and July. Okay. Do you have a Filipina girlfriend? Sir Curtis Walton. Junior is taken. So stop. Maybe I will see you when I am there. Do you have a Filipina girlfriend, Sir Walton Curtis? Father Earth. Uragon ka dahil. Lizar Carty. Hi po. What it means? Junior, what? No, my Filipino wife will be with me. Okay. Okay, sir. I'm willing to meet you with your Filipina wife. Thank you so much, Sir Curtis. Welcome. Yeah, I hope I meet you and your wife. Thank you. Father mo ba yan? Yes. This is my father. Notario Cortez, what do you mean? XOX. Thank you, Chris Walton. Thank you, Sir Chris Walton. Nice to meet you. How old is your father? 80 years old. My father is 80 years old. Oh, 80 years old. I see, I'm 70. Ah, okay. Something. Nice to meet you, sir. Chris, welcome. Basta pa, father mo. Ah? Ano? Basta pa? 80. My father is 80. 80 years old. Isla Bale keeps mini Carol. What? I will show you respect when we are there. Thank you, sir Chris. You get the message. The message. Thank you, Sir Chris. Welcome. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Daddy, da 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 da. Got a message. What it means? Are you married? I'm not married, but I'm not available. I have a kid. One kid. I have a son. Just wanted to let you know you have a very beautiful daughter, father. Parang inaantok ka pa. Puyat. Hi, Shar. Hi, Tita Marie. Salamat, Tita Marie, sa pagpunta. Thank you for, Kumusta? Good evening sa inyo, John. Wala ka pa asawa. Wala nang asawa. Thank you sa 29 thumbs up po. Start giving out personal information on here. This channel will be a pain in the butt. I'm not giving. I'm not giving any, Buwan nuete. What it means? I are Moram. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Lumipat ba ng bahay ang asawa mo? Lumipat. Sumakabilang bahay. Palipat-lipat ng bahay. Mag-asawa na lang tayo. Ay nako, akala mo madali lang yan Junel Aguilar, akala mo madali lang mag-asawa. Sana naman. Good evening, house. Relaxing and watching you for a bit. Thank you, tita. Salamat, tita. Thank you so much, tita. What? Naligaw, di marunong umuwi. Agoy. Oh. Ano kasi, maraming dinaanan. Mas nag-enjoy siya doon. Na-feel niya yung happiness doon. Visit to them. What it means? Korean or Chinese? What? The languages? Bakit ate? May trabaho naman ako ate. Pag bumalik dyan, gawan mo ng ID. Wala na. Hindi na, matagal na I like you. You remix me if my friend in Mindanao. She is secretary the Sanggunian. Ah, wow. Your wife? Thank you, Sir Curtis. Thank you, sir. Gulaman? Meron na. Ito na salad. Naraot yad to. Yad to nakaranini. Ambot yung pwede pa yad to. Oo, sige. Sa'yo na. Single ka ngayon. I'm not single. No, my friend. Your friend. Okay. Tika Zaria Comigo. What treatments me so I love you. Hi, Jerry. Welcome back, Jerry. Okay, I will see you again. Be well and be safe. Thank you, Sir Chris. Welcome. Thank you so much, Sir Chris. Thank you po. Cheryl, what's your favorite food to cook? Bicol Express. Bicol Express, adobo, like that. Lotario, chat in English. Thank you, Tita. Yes, Bicol. Bicol food. Welcome back, Jerry. Oh. Ah. No. What? Thank you, Tita. Salamat, Tita. Thank you, Tita. I found the right time. Thank you po. Okay. Hi, Jerry. Welcome, Cheryl. Salamat, Tita. Salamat po. Tita Marie. I wanted to meet you, Tita Marie, please. Charot. Tita. I can't remember when you called. Tagi man ako. Sa'yo, salamat. Thank you. Miss 8 na. Hi, Tin and Jerry. The dynamic duo is here. The dynamic duo is here. Let's see it.
Ay, sige na.
Baga na bunga yatag. Hi, Buddy Mom. Welcome back, Buddy Mom. Hi, not no. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, Buddy Mouse. Oh, what else? Yes, I typed wrong. Ah, okay. Thank you, Sir Buddy Mouse. Where are you from, Sir Buddy Mouse? Sorry, my phone. Okay, no worries. It's okay. It's all good, Tim. I know you get excited when Jerry's here. Jerry, Richmond, Virginia, USA. Wow, thank you so much, Sir Buddy Mouse. Thank you. Thank you for joining my live. Now we are good now. You're good now? Let me guess. Cebu, Philippines. No, I'm not from Cebu. From Bicol. Body Malls. I'm from Bicol. Philippines. Bicol Province, Philippines. Part of Luzon. Hello, pretty girl from Maston. Hi, Maston. Okay. Um, Araba Moya Mari. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. It's still shooting us. Maybe I think I don't know. But yesterday I list yesterday night and I think no and last night wrap again. Joanna Hart Viso. What means Viso? Very beautiful. Thank you, Maston. Hi, Joanna. You single? I'm not single, sir. I'm not. Sir, my body knows. Elite Tanet. Hi, Elite Tanet. Okay, I respect that. Thank you, sir, body mouse. Thank you. Mamma mia, tu cuerpo mi da loco. What it means? Mi da loco. I understand the beda loco. What it means? Johanna. You have single friends. Yes, I have single friends. I have single friends. Defending someone. Are you willing to meet Filipino single here? Chat in English to the host, please. Thank you, Tita Marie. Salamat, Tita. Hi, Joanna. Thank you, Joanna. Oh my God, Johanna. That's not good word. Yes, just looking for a Filipino wife. Wow. How old are you, Body Malls? Thank you, Tita. Thank you, Tita. Salamat, Tita. Thank you so much. 35. Still young. Okay, I have a Filipina young. Um, wait, wait. I have friends, Filipina young. Stay tuned, and I want you to meet the Filipina. When I will contact her. She's young. What do you mean? Ano ka po, Ate Pinay? Yes, Pinay. Pinay na Pinay. Gab, paluwaya man. Kaya naka-live ako, Gab. Gab, paluwaya man. Gab, paluwaya man. Ano? Pinay po, Pinay. Filipina po. Shine bright like a diamond. Ano ka po, Ate? Shine bright. Punta ka po, Ate Manila. Thank you, Kuya Gab. Ito, bagang pitaka ko dito.
Saan? Dito.
Kung nasa nang bagas kita sila.
Oo, maano kita.
Okay na?
Oo, mag-ano ka na para pag ano man.
Wala dali. Kung napakatas ka magpabunto nga kasi right.
Opo.
Pumunta ko.
Pag-abot.
Padarahan mo ka.
O, pwede mo.
Labay lang.
Ha?
Labay.
Opo. Thank you for the... I will end the live. I'm going to the market. We buy foods because need to going back and need to cook for dinner. Thank you so much, guys, for joining my live stream. I will be live later. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good night to everyone from other country. Bye.